Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to be faithful to your partner. How to be faithful to your partner. This tutorial has been designed for those of you out there that are constantly cheating on your partners and are looking to try and find a way to stop that, or at least reduce it to some degree. Well, I know it is extremely difficult not to cheat on your partner, but I have managed to come up with a few solutions that I would like to share with you. But first, I must explain to you why you shouldn't cheat on your partner. Your partner might not like it. Yes, believe it or not, some people actually don't like to be cheated on by their partners. Some people might even go as far as to tell you off for doing it. I'm very sorry if you are in a relationship with someone who will get annoyed like that, but that is something to think about if you do plan on cheating on them. It can get expensive. As we all know, cheating on your partner can be extremely expensive because you have to constantly buy them gifts, and that can really devastate your bank account, particularly if you have several relationships going on at once. Therefore, if you're having around 35 affairs a year, why not try to reduce that to say 30 the following year, and then maybe 25 the year after that, and so on. Yes, you will be losing some relationships, but at least you'll have way more money to spend as a result. You could get caught. Yes, I'm afraid this puts a lot of people off cheating. As we have seen, if you get caught cheating, then your partner can become a little annoyed or frustrated, and you may be forced to end up apologising to them as a result. So try not let that happen to you. I mean, don't cheat in the first place. That's what I meant to say. The person who you have the affair with might not be a nice person. Yes, the person who you have the affair with could end up being a little rude. Do you really want to take the risk of being with them for reasons like that? So as we have seen, there are an extremely vast and wide variety of reasons as to why you should not cheat on a partner and remain faithful. But how do you actually remain faithful? Is it possible? Well, you're about to find out with the answers. I have some answers. Let's see what we have. Ask your partner for permission. Yes, the very first thing that you should do is to ask your partner for permission to cheat on them. This is by far the best thing that you should do. If they say yes, then you'll be free to see whoever you like, and you'll be safe in the knowledge that you're still being faithful to your partner. So that is definitely a win-win. However, what if by some bizarre turn of events they decide to say, "No, I don't want you to cheat on me"? What on earth are you to do then? Well, maybe this could answer that. Negotiate or bargain with them. At the end of the day, you are looking to be faithful to your partner no matter what. Therefore, if you can leverage some deal with them to remain faithful, then that is certainly a great result. For example, you could say something like this: "If you allow me to cheat on you, then when I get home, I'll give you a back rub." So something like that could end up benefiting you both. Now what you don't want to do is to blackmail them, because that is immoral. Just gently offer them a nice deal, and I'm sure they'll be willing to accept it. Now there may be one or two of you out there that don't actually want to cheat on your partner, so how on earth do you remain faithful to them then? Just love them. This may be one of the least desirable preferences out there, but if you do plan on being faithful to your partner, then you may be forced to love them. Not ideal, I know, but it should help you to maintain your faithfulness to your partner. If you love them deeply, then the urge to cheat on them may be less. And if that doesn't apply to you, the final option is to Stay away from everyone. Yes, why not successfully maintain your faithfulness by staying away from everybody? If nobody is there, then it is pretty difficult to cheat on your partner. Try being alone in a bedroom, such as this one, where there's nobody ever there. So you're physically not able to cheat. There's nobody ever here. It's not fair. I will never have the opportunity to cheat now. It's not fair. There's no one ever here. And that completes the tutorial on how to be faithful to your partner. I really do hope that you can stay faithful to your partner or partners, because being in a relationship is a wonderful thing, I've been told.